You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this term from ballet, used in ballet dancing, and it's also a word from French. Releve is the French pronunciation. Releve, if you want to learn more ballet names, stay tuned. In English, it's pronounced as releve, 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 from French releve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.